Power Query is a robust data connection and transformation tool which is built into Power BI and which allows you to connect to data from a wide variety of sources and then transform that data into exactly the right shape and format for your reporting needs. In this course, you'll learn how to connect to data stored in CSV files, XML files, and Excel worksheets and tables, as well as how to assemble multiple files stored within a folder into a single table. You'll also learn how to connect to web data and link data stored on the web to your own in-house data, even when there's no initial commonality between the two datasets. You'll learn how to connect to data in SQL Server databases, both in import and direct query modes, and to perform transformations which leverage query folding, the process whereby Power Query commands are converted from the M language into SQL and pushed back to the server. By the end of this course, you'll also be comfortable using the Power Query interface to perform a wide variety of useful transformations on your data to make it fit for your purposes. This course will show you how to split columns that contain several pieces of information and different ways of combining several columns into one. You'll also learn how to deal with data produced by another system as a report, and which consequently contains reporting features such as subheadings embedded within the data and pivoted columns. We'll also discuss append queries and merge queries, Power Query's versatile commands for stitching multiple tables together, vertically and horizontally. And since this is a course aimed at users who are new to Power BI, it also includes numerous quick practice sessions in which we build mini reports using the data we've been transforming. So by the end of this course, you'll be totally at home in using Power Query to transform and cleanse your data, making it ready for use within a Power BI data model.